And guys, today we're gonna play Minecraft Pocket Edition with dungeons and more. It's our first Let's Play, so please keep it down. Please keep it down. Okay, join now. Join now. Okay. He's gonna. My cousin's gonna play with me. His name is Farkan28, and yeah. So he's joining. We don't have a freaking second, so. Okay, he's here. Okay, we're gonna have the sand. 5 from the chest, and yes, we're gonna have to open this. Can be fast, okay? Go. Go. Oh no. What happened? What? Ah, that sucks. It's okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Just go, go, go.
Diba ikaw na maglalagay ng torch? Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Here's our dungeon. Zombie. Don't kill me. Let's go. Ow. 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 Fuck you.
I will kill you. Oh shit.
Creeper. 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 Back, 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 back. Fall back, fall back. Ako bahala dyan. I hate creeper. You die. Creepers die. Archer. Archer. Archer here. Nobody.
Asshole.
Asshole. Okay.
Asshole meron.
Okay, that's good. Ah! Fuck you. Okay, let's get
Oh,
there.
creeper, creeper.
Creeper.
Let's go, let's go.
Back, 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 back. Wow. So many monster. So many monster. Die. Die, bitch. Die. Okay. Clear. Go, 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 go. Torches. Dami, 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 dami.
Nasunog.
Ouch. Burning. They're burning. Oh, don't kill me, bitch. Wait.
I will kill you.
Sorry for that. What? What the?
I will kill you.
There's a chest in there, you bitch. What did you get? I fucking hate you. That's all? What? The fuck, man? Let's explode. TNT?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Huwag sa akin.
Wala ng zombie.
No more zombie. Chests.
Okay.
Chests.
Wow.
Diamonds. There's so many diamonds.
Let's go.
Wow, so many armors.
Ano daw? So many rides.
Saan?
Kuya Brian, gawa ulit tayo. Lagyan ulit natin. Ano?
What? Wait.
We will kill you.
Oh, you can cheat.
Oh. Oh no. Let's go.
Dungeon. Strap. For fucking crap. Narinig mo yung Ken? Zombie.
Oh! Gabi na. Let's go. My zombie.
Where?
I don't know.
Ouch. Don't. Fuck you.
That's good.
Stop destroying the world.
Oh! May zombie.
Nasaan?
Nagtatagalog na eh. Luko mga ito.
Show me where you are. Show me. Paano ka napunta dyan? Ah?
May zombie nga.
Saan?
Doon.
Zombie. Let's go. Ana.
Let's fight the zombie.
More zombie. Where?
I will kill the zombie.
Go. Ba?
What the?
Okay. Do.
Na tayo.
Orange.
Let's go.
I can't freaking find you. Zombie, I can hear zombie. Zombie, no.
Zombie.
Died. Is it I can find?
Hana, alam mo kayong hook nyo? Yung inaano sa pangganchilyo? Kita mo yung tali, yung ginaganyan ni Tita Baby. Dapat.
Ouch.
Yung hook, yung ginaganyan. Bakit ka?
Ow. Okay. Please. Franken.
Let's go.
Let's go. Come on. Iron. Mine it.
Matatandaan mo na. Yung pangganchilyo. Ganchilyo?
Do. I can't find your can. Where are you?
Yung ganchilyo.
Ano to? Ba't meron dito? Pooch.
Kita mo yung ginawa ni Tita Baby below? Yung mat?
Lo?
Yung mat.
Diyo pala may kanina may nasunog dyan.
Yung circle? Oo, yung circle.
Hindi naman yung mat eh.
Oh, yun. Yung ginagawa ni Tita Baby nung sabi mo buntis pa siya pinagpupuntis
Zombie.
Natatandaan mo na.
Kenchi.
Yun. Asan yung ginagawang hook? Yung pangganyan ni Tita Baby. Yung metal siya. Parang
I will kill you, bitch.
haba. Alam ko nasaan.
Sabi mo nga namin.
Baka nga daw alam mo. Hindi nga daw din alam ni Tita Baby.
Bakit dyan?
Kakamitin ko.
Saan?
Secret.
Ay, sila.
No.
Baka naman nasa anuhan nyo. Sa may mga sinulid. Ana. Tingnan lang natin. Dali.
Pigs.
Sabihin mo kay mami.
Pigs. Boop, yeah. Go. Wait. Go. Blow it. You suck. Oh, you know. Kenchi,
That's good.
I'll kill you, bitch. Boop it is stuck. Boop.
Tingnan natin.
Boosh. Pew. Look at you. Look at you. So almost no time. Where are you, Kenchi?
Ha? Saan ka maliligo? Ikaw. Kunin natin dyan.
CR. CR.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we're having a tour and shit. Also gonna get that. And that's now that's touchy that minecart. Oops. Diamond pickaxe. Diamond sword. What? This our dungeon. And this is a quick tour about our. That's my opening door. Magic opening door. And what? Kenchi. No rails. Naputol yung rail. Ouch. It is stuck up.
Hi.
Saan ka?
Uy, ito ako.
Saan?
Nakakapag pala.
Sabi sa'yo, kuha lang ng powered rail. Powered. Minecraft Pocket Edition. Oh, I got redstone. Powered rails. Patay, wala na. Oh, shit. 6 rails. 6 na lang, Kenchi.
Let's go. Okay. Give me
6
some
rails. Kenchi. Ikaw gayon. Go for it.
Bye-bye.
More. Nga pala, Kenchi. May cows ka pala dun sa house mo. Kenchi. Ouch! No. Where's my seeds? Kenchi! 1 life left. Okay, 3 na lang. Kenchi! Kenchi, 1 life. Can't reach for the chest.
Oh, so beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful explosion. Bitches, long explosion, bitches. Oh, it's almost night. It's almost night, night, night. No, 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 night. No, 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 night. You've been bedrock. Boosh. Yo. Bed ka muna. Tara, tulog na tayo. Let's sleep. Kenchi, 2 lives na lang. Subukan natin matulog. Dali, subukan natin matulog. Ouch. Ba? Hindi tayo namatay.
Let's go.
Putok! Putok! Oh, nasan yung isang bed? Bed. Bed, 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 bed.
Oh, shit. Creeper.
Saan? Ah! What happened? Okay. Purge. Saan? I will end na. End na. Okay, that's all. Thanks.